Hey everyone, hope everybody's doing good today. Sunday afternoon. Oh, it's probably 60 degrees today, maybe a little warmer. Really windy today, and I was getting kind of sick of being cooped up in the house. So today is the last day of public hunting, which means after today, a lot of the areas that are close to where I live, that are around the lake, there won't be hunters in there anymore. Some nice tree arches right there. Today I'm in this area that I'm in right now, you can't hunt in it anyway. Now a quarter mile that way you can. So just wanted to get out and do a little, go for a walk, so I figured I'd bring the camera. Actually, take that back, I don't know if you can see it, just through there. Just on the other side of these trees, there's a field that opens up, and I think you can hunt that. You can see it. It's kind of through those trees there. And it kind of curves back, and then goes, this forest goes back this way, that field goes that way, and then along this way. I came in from back around through there. I think you can. I'm pretty sure you can hunt that, but you can't hunt in here. There's actually campgrounds back off that way. And there's some over here that are, what's really odd about them, what I noticed when I was coming in here, they've got them closed down. They had barricades up. It was all flagged, like not necessarily police tape, but they had them where you couldn't get in to utilize them. I don't know why. Nice X right here. I don't know. Now this used to be an old road right here. Let me show you real quick. There used to be a road that came in through right here and went across. You see the water drainage thing there. But it went back, and it went a few miles back that way. And actually, this old road here, if you go 5 miles that way, you'll hit Bigfoot Creek. So I'm not far from where all the action takes place. And I have not been back to Bigfoot Creek in a while. Around this way. This is the old road, you see. I think at one time they had it blocked off here. And some other big boulders here. Had this all blocked off. But it's been years since that's been utilized, so That wind is really picking up. Let's see, where do I want to go? It's pretty thick back in there. I don't know if I can go around that way or not. Let's walk up here. So you can see right here, let me show you. There's the field, and you can hunt and see the forest picks back up on the other side, and it gets really thick in certain pockets. But you can hunt on that, so. But you're not supposed to be hunting in here, so I think I'm relatively safe. I'm not gonna journey too far back up in here anyway. Right here. Forest gets really thick right here. Walked right underneath of that. It's broken off. I really wanted to get out here when the leaves were changing colors. It's really beautiful in here whenever you get out here at the right time. Now, as you can see, most of them are already on the ground, so I'm a little late for that. It's really hard you have to work hunting season in some of these areas and worry about that. We have some pretty good game wardens out here who take care of people. You know, if you're in an area you're not supposed to be in, they'll let you know. I mean, and that's a good thing. I don't have my monopod today, so if this is kind of shaky, I apologize. Tree just grew that way. This tree here has grown. You can see it's arching that tree. And this one's blowing, going this way too. Little bone. Interesting. A bunch of trees laid in right there. Some broken ones there too. Deer scrape. This is what you call a deer scrape. They'll come up to a tree. You'll sometimes see trees like this. I don't see one around here where they'll scrape and then they'll rub. They'll rub all the bark off. But you can see where he's been scraping. Oh, that was loud. I don't know what that was. What was that? Whoa. It's probably just the wind. What was that? It was back here. It sounded like something went through that grass. That yellow looking grass there. I bet you it was just the wind. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it and took you on a nice little hike today. Yeah, I think it was just the wind blowing that grass. Sounded like something moved running through it though. When it's windy, you have to write all stuff off like that. It's really hard to discern what you're hearing. You gotta pick your battles. I mean, there's days when it's windy and you can tell yourself, okay, it's just the wind. It's out of there. And then there's other days where it's dead quiet and it adds another level of spookiness to it because it's so quiet. You hear of all these stories of people that have been in the woods and just before they have an encounter, it gets dead, this forest just goes dead quiet. You don't know how many times that's happened to me. When you're the only sound around. I saw something through there. I think it's just some bark. What's that? Alright. Well, I think I'm gonna make my way back. Yeah, it was really weird. Whoa. I just heard a loud thumping sound, like something thumped the ground. Well, anyway, you know it was really weird that they've got those campgrounds blockaded off so no one can get in there. The strange thing about that area, there's a video I have. It's an older video. By the way, I tried to tag a lot of my old videos. I'm gonna have a seat right here for a second. I tried to tag a lot of my older videos, showing that they're older, because I had some people that were always complaining that your videos are too shaky. Well, I had to comment on everybody that complained, saying it's old video, that's why it's shaky. So I had a viewer say, hey, why don't you just tag them? Tag the video saying that they're old so people know. And that's what I did. So I went through and tagged them all. But anyway, there's an older video that I'm trying to remember the name of the title of the video. It's Sasquatch's Hiding Place, I think is the name of it. That was filmed probably about a quarter mile that way, back through here. And there's like I said, there's camping areas can't see my finger. There's camping areas. The forest goes all the way to the lake this way, but there's camping areas off that way, and that little hiding spot I found was not far from those camping areas back in the bush. So I don't know, I thought that was kind of interesting. But they've got this blocked off. Anyway, my battery's showing that it's getting very low, so I'm going to cut this off so I don't lose my video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. By the way, I've had some people, had a couple people that wanted to know again on how to donate, and if you scroll down to you'll see the PayPal. It's a white screen that shows the PayPal, and I have had a couple people that have donated. Once I get to about 3/4 of the way of the amount I need to get these new cameras, one of them's a stationary static camera, and the other one's a night vision camera because this camcorder I'm using doesn't have a night shot. So anyway, and the other camera is one I'm going to leave in the woods. It's not a game camera, but once I get it, I'll show you guys. But I'm needing about $500 to get both cameras. And anyway, I've had a couple people donate. I want to say thank you to those guys and gals. I really appreciate it. And then to those of you who are asking how they can donate, scroll down, you'll see the white screen. It's a PayPal link. You can put it on there. And once I get the cameras, I will post a video showing you guys what I got, and they will definitely get used. So anyway, thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Have a Merry Christmas. Thanks, guys.